everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Amrezy x ABH palette. Unfortunately, while I was swatching some of the shades, one of my shades fell out. So I'll put a link to that video above and down in my description box so you guys can check that out. But overall, I really do love the color story of this palette. I love the fact that they gave us some dark brown, some black, some transition colors. So we're just gonna go with it. Let's see what I can come up with. I'm gonna start off by using my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna put that on both lids. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply a little concealer to my lid, and that's just to help these colors pop. Alright guys, the next thing I'm going to do is apply the color OG, which is a nice transition shade. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. A nice light brown. The next shade I'm going to apply in my transition area is going to be Šemsa. That's this pretty shade right here. I'm just using a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to start applying that right there in my transition area. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Yugo, which is a very deep, vampy, like a, I don't know what that is, like a maroon maybe? Very deep and vampy. I'm going to go into that shade. I'm going to apply that in my outer corners. Alright guys, and I'm just going to blend around that dark shade very lightly with the shade Šemsa. The next thing I'm going to do is cut my crease with this Too Faced glitter glue. Alright guys, I'm going to apply the shade Cupcake right there, pretty purpley shade. I'm going to apply that right on top of that glitter glue. That is so pretty. Alright guys, so as you can see, I applied Cupcake all the way to the middle of the lid, and then I took my little brush here and I blended the shade Yugo with Cupcake, just so it can look well blended there in the middle. It doesn't look like one shade stopped and the other one just began. You want to try to blend them, so that's what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Alright guys, so I'm loving the way that looks on the top of the lids. I think I'm going to leave it right there and apply a lash. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the Anastasia lash in the style Snazzy. Looks pretty snazzy, so I'm going to use that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I applied the lashes and that is what we're looking like. They're very light lashes. I really like these. Very, very nice. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and work on that bottom lash line. What I'm going to do is just apply the color Šemsa again, right here on the outer corner. Really smudge it out. Now all of this is going to be neatened up when I apply my face makeup. I'm also going to apply a little black in my waterline. Not a little black, a lot of black. I'm going to just line everything up with this black right here. This one is from Estee Edit. I don't even remember if Estee Edit is even a thing anymore. But these pencils were awesome. They get everything nice and dark. Very nice. And they had them in lots of duo colors, like two-sided pencils. I love them. Nice charcoal. They're very soft. They apply very nicely. So now I'm going to go away. I'm going to do my face. And then we're going to come back and complete the bottom lash line and the inner corner. So stay tuned. So we are back. I finished my face. We're going to go ahead and finish the bottom lash line. I'm going to go into this beautiful bold blue called Leo right here. And I'm just going to apply that right in the inner corner. I'm going to try not to make a mess here. But just right there in the inner corner. And it does have a little fallout, so be very careful. And if you watch my last few videos, you'll know I've been loving the Benefit Mascara Roller Lash. It's really, really nice. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my bottom lash line very carefully. Okay, now we're going to work on our lips. I have two different lip glosses here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One I've worn several times called Grape Jelly. Every time I've worn this, you guys love it. And then I have one called Sepia, which is a little bit more neutral. So I'm going to put on both shades just so you guys can see them. And then you can choose which one you think is the best. I think I'll keep on the Grape Jelly, but so I'll put on Sepia first just so you can see it. Let me see here. Okay, with Sepia, I usually use Pitch Lip Liner from ColourPop. A lot of you guys told me that a good dupe for this is like ColourPop's BFF4, something like that. Because this one is discontinued. Okay, so I blend that in and then I apply Sepia. And actually, I think I picked up the Sepia lipstick instead. Yeah, I picked up the liquid lipstick instead. So this is what Sepia looks like. It's a very pretty nude shade. I'm going to go ahead and put the lip gloss over it so you guys can see what it looks like. And here's the lip gloss. So very, very pretty. I love this one. I can't think of anything else to put on, and it's like right here on the desk. I usually reach for a Sepia. So that's one option. Okay, so before putting on Grape Jelly, I usually use the shade Leather by ColourPop. It's like a deep purple. And we're going to apply Grape Jelly. Okay, so that is Grape Jelly. And I love using it when I'm using like purples and pinks. It is so beautiful. All right, guys, so the last thing we're gonna do is apply our setting spray. And this is from Urban Decay. And that is it. So I thank you guys. Oh, got a little lipstick on my teeth. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I hope you're loving the look that I came up with. Be sure to check out the palette swatches and everything. I'm going to have it linked down below, I think, or up here in the cards, or both. I'm very pleased with the palette. I think they did a very good job. I love the colors. I love all of these different pops. I'm a person that loves glitter and I love shimmers, so I think they did a very good job. And Much success on the palette, ABH and Rezy. Please be sure to subscribe, click that thumbs up and that notification bell so you know when I put up another video. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.